Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world's largest professional network, LinkedIn. Whether you're a student, freelancer, job seeker, or business owner, chances are you've heard of LinkedIn. But do you really know its story? Who created it? How it actually works? And most importantly, is it still worth your time in 2026? In this audio, we'll cover everything: the founder, the history, how LinkedIn works, current statistics, major benefits, and some fascinating facts. Stick around till the end for some surprising insights. Let's get started. History and founder. LinkedIn was founded in December 2002 by Reid Hoffman in his living room in Palo Alto, California. Yes, you heard that right, it started in a living room, just like many big tech companies. Reid Hoffman wasn't alone. He brought together a strong team of co-founders: Alan Blue, Constantine Garicki, Eric Lai, and Jean-Luc Valiant. Most of them had worked together at PayPal or other early tech companies. They wanted to build something different from the casual social networks that were popular at the time, like Friendster. Their vision was clear: create a professional networking platform where people could build meaningful business connections, find jobs, and grow their careers. After a few months of development, LinkedIn officially launched on May 5, 2003, a date they proudly call Cinco de LinkedIn. At launch, they only had around 4,500 members. Growth was slow in the beginning. By the end of 2003, they had just a few hundred active users. But things picked up quickly. In 2004, they reached 1 million members. By 2006, the platform became profitable, quite rare for social networks at that time. In 2011, LinkedIn went public with one of the biggest IPOs of that year. And in 2016, Microsoft acquired LinkedIn for a massive $26.2 billion. Today, under Microsoft's ownership, LinkedIn has evolved into much more than just a networking site. It's become a powerful tool for learning, hiring, marketing, and thought leadership. How LinkedIn works. So, how does LinkedIn actually work? At its core, LinkedIn is a professional social network. You create a detailed profile that acts like an online resume. You add your experience, education, skills, accomplishments, and even projects or publications. Once your profile is ready, you can send connection requests to other professionals. Join groups related to your industry. Post updates, articles, or videos. Follow companies and thought leaders. Apply for jobs directly on the platform. LinkedIn's algorithm works differently from Instagram or TikTok. It rewards valuable content, posts that spark discussion, share knowledge, or help others. That's why you see so many long-form posts and carousels. There are also powerful tools for businesses. Company pages. LinkedIn ads, very effective for B2B. Recruiter tools for hiring managers. Learning platform, LinkedIn Learning. You can use it for free, but there are premium plans that give you more visibility, in-mail credits, direct messaging, and advanced search features. Current statistics 2026. Now let's talk numbers. As of 2026, LinkedIn has crossed 1.3 billion registered members across more than 200 countries. That's bigger than the entire population of Europe. Every month, around 310 million people actively use the platform. Here are some more impressive stats. Over 134 million daily active users. The United States has the largest user base with around 250 million members. India comes second with over 150 million users. More than 69 million companies have LinkedIn pages. LinkedIn is especially popular among professionals aged 25 to 34, but it's also growing fast among Gen Z. Benefits of joining LinkedIn. So why should you join or stay active on LinkedIn? Here are the biggest benefits. Career opportunities. 80% of all B2B leads come from LinkedIn. Millions of jobs are posted every week. Networking. You can connect with industry leaders, potential clients, mentors, and recruiters. Personal branding. By posting consistently, you can become known as an expert in your field. Learning. LinkedIn Learning offers thousands of professional courses. Business growth. Whether you're a freelancer, designer, or business owner, LinkedIn is one of the best platforms for finding clients. Job search. Recruiters spend more time on LinkedIn than anywhere else. Even if you're not actively looking for a job, staying visible and building your network can open doors you never expected. Interesting facts. Let me end with some cool and interesting facts about LinkedIn. Reid Hoffman once said his goal was to connect all professionals on the planet. LinkedIn is responsible for helping millions find jobs. They even have a feature that celebrates when someone gets hired. The most popular day for job hunting on LinkedIn is Tuesday. Video content on LinkedIn gets 5 times more engagement than text-only posts. Surprisingly, posts with questions get 77% more comments. One more fun fact: when LinkedIn launched, many people thought it wouldn't work because professionals wouldn't want to mix business with social media. Today, it's proven to be one of the smartest platforms ever built. Conclusion. So, that's the complete story of LinkedIn, from a living room idea to a 1.3 billion member global platform. If you're not active on LinkedIn yet, I highly recommend optimizing your profile and starting to post consistently. It can genuinely change your career. If you enjoyed this audio, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. See you in next interesting audio. Take care. Goodbye, Tariq Farouk.